You guys should please help me bless this man. This man has done a lot for me in this life. Hi guys, happy birthday to me. So yeah, I'm a Gemini and it's officially my birthday. You guys are welcome. My name is Ezina Amaka and I'm streaming and I'm also live in Sweden. I don't know what I'm saying, but it's my birthday. I'm so excited and I'm so thankful to God for giving me another year, man. It's not easy. Thank you guys. So we came to register our baby girl for swimming.
And just go on Borostad and go into
I think they are closed. So in 2 weeks time we'll come register her.
That the booking starts
11 August.
Yeah.
By 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
The kids are going to be so happy.
Yes, yes.
They won't want to go home today.
Yeah.
Hey, Nami go suffer ram.
Yeah.
Let me teach you pidgin. In Nigeria, we have pidgin language in Nigeria. People don't understand. But I'm going to teach you, don't worry. Nami go suffer ram today. It means I'm going to be the one to like
Okay,
sweat
yes.
to get them home. Because when I say it's time to go home, they'll be like, Mommy, I don't want to go home. Mommy, no, I don't want to go home. Oh, really? I like this. This is fun,
This is
yes.
part, so that's why.
Yes. Mama. Mama. Yeshua. 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 Look at my baby. Say hi. Say hi, Yeshua. Yeshua. The kids are having pommes, fries, meatballs, and everything. Oh my God. Made by Saba, the chef.
Saba chef.
Chef Saba.
Chef Saba.
So I'm trying this. Mama.
Yes.
No, but there's something you used.
Like vinegar, soy sauce, and
I think
nothing.
I'm tasting the soy sauce.
Okay.
And there's something that looks like veggies.
Yes. There is.
What is this?
These are like a mixed veggies.
This yellow thing.
Yes, yes. This is also like a carrot type of carrot.
Oh.
Yes, yes, yes.
That's what I ate.
Yes,
It
yes.
tastes different.
Different, yes.
Yeah.
Adds sugar and cooking oil.
Yeah.
I don't have a beater, so I'm beating by myself. Cocoa powder. I did not found it. I said, how can I make chocolate cake
Without it.
with
Yes, baby.
Bye.
Bye. Where are you going to?
No, Chaturthi, you are not going to outside.
Come.
No. Because they are already.
Let's see what they're doing.
They are coming up. Don't worry.
Yes. Now it's like this. Now
Yeah.
I am putting like 1 cup of milk,
Okay.
and I will put some butter in
Okay.
the milk. Warm
Okay.
milk.
Okay.
Warm milk.
Okay. 1 milk.
Warm milk.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
What are you doing here? Now you
It's
see.
looking yummy already. Yes, right.
Now you see.
Yeah.
We think that how it will be works.
Yeah.
The butter is ready.
Yeah, it's ready.
Now we will put some
What's this?
cocoa powder,
Okay.
coconut. Do you
Okay,
like it?
coconut powder. Okay.
You
You
like
said cocoa powder. So So like cocoa powder is not right.
Coconut powder.
Yes, coconut powder is okay.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
Children also?
Yeah, we eat coconuts.
Okay. That's good.
This is my birthday cake, guys.
Yes.
Birthday girl,
Cake.
birthday cake, birthday friend.
Happy birthday.
Aww.
Happy birthday to you.
Aww, Chubabatak.
What you say to your mama? Cereal.
Yes.
Breastfeed.
Yes.
Chocolate. Can we put some chocolate liquid on it?
Do you like it? I will put some liquid or like this.
Mama, you did it right.
Hi guys, good morning. It's the day after my birthday. I thank God for yesterday. No, yesterday was my birthday. I thank God for yesterday. My birthday went so well. Like I'm really happy. Like my husband outdid himself and my family did make sure I was fine. My friends, they wished me a very good happy birthday. They sent me cute, sweet, heartful messages. And I really feel so blessed. I'm so happy. So today, I think we're going out. We're going to get some things. Because there's this yam we got yesterday. I don't know if I can show you guys. We got yam yesterday. The yam is so bad. Let me show you guys this part. See. So we're going to return this yam because where we bought it, as in they know us, and we got it very expensive. Yam is not cheap here in Sweden. Yam is really expensive. So we're going to return the yam and also get some things for my daughter's hair. I'm going to be making her hair maybe tomorrow or Monday because right now we are in summer break. There is no school till August. My baby girl is resuming August. My kids, the three of them are resuming in August. So right now I'm just gonna give my baby his food, prepare them for for the outing, and that's that. But my birthday was nice. Like I got cash gift, I got cake. I'm gonna pin them here. I got a lot. I'm so happy for the love and the messages God. The love was overwhelming. Too much. Thank you guys. This is my son's favorite food. This is his way of eating fried rice. Just rice and eggs and small salt and knorr. This is the way my baby likes his fried rice, as you can see. It's so beautiful and it's so delicious. Very nice. I'm going to return the yam.
Lover with you, love with you. Feel so true, feel so new. Love with you. Every moment just me and you.
So we just got to the Afro shop. This is the shop. Can you all see? That's the shop. So we just got here and my man and my daughter went to return the yam. Because I don't know how we're going to buy yam, very expensive. And we won't be able to even eat a piece from the yam. So I had to tell my man to let's take it back. The money can't go like that. So after returning the yam, we'll go buy some things for our hair because I said earlier I was going to make her hair maybe tomorrow or next week, I don't know. So let's talk about my birthday. Oh guys, like I had fun. I won't lie, I had fun. But at the same time, something happened yesterday and anyways, it has been fixed by the grace of God. The person is fine. It's not something I want to share right now. I just want to keep it up. I just want to keep it to myself. But this is it. And tomorrow, I think we're going out tomorrow. We're taking the kids out, for some time out, I think they're going to do a lot. where we're going to, like for kids. It's like a fun place for kids. So this summer is basically for them. Everyone is having fun. Everyone is happy. And I thank God for another year in my life. Like I said, I believe in God. He has seen me through every ups and down. Like God has been there for me. I've never suffered to get anything. You know, once I ask, He gives me. And I'm so grateful. And guys, what else do I want to say? I just want to say thank you guys for always listening to me. Thank you for always watching my videos. And thank you for subscribing. So thank you. No, not that way. Forward, forward, forward.
Look,
Don't enjoy yourself.
I want to enjoy myself. Mama!
T'es du chef.
Yeah.
Yo. Because I'm going to make you a hairstyle like this. Can you hear me, Mama?
Yeah.
I'm making a hairstyle like this for you. Like one side. I'm going to do it like Ghana weaving. Like bold styles. So they're all going to fall like this. You want it?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's all going to fall one side.
Okay.
Everything is going to go one side. So I think this is okay, right?
No, we need to find something else.
What? Like I'm going to enjoy every bit of this summer.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh God.
Mom, you
The winter in Sweden is always... Look at what my baby is doing. The winter here is always serious, like too much. So any summer we just... Everyone is just so happy today because everybody loves this weather.
Yeah, love this one.
Doesn't like his chair anymore. Because he almost fell from his chair. Or he fell from... I think he fell, right? He fell. My son said he doesn't want to sit there. He wants to sit here now. So now we are giving him his favorite food, noodles and eggs. He loves noodles. Look at his mouth. Come and show them how he's eating it. Baba say hey. What are you putting in your mouth? Stop it.
Okay, just wait. I'm about to do it. First, I growed a seed. First thing, you need to put soil inside it, then put it, then open a tiny hole, and then put the seed of it into a tiny stuff will grow. And then they'll turn to this. They might grow vegetables or something. And this one might grow. After a young year, it will now start growing something over here. So that's how I made it. And I bought this one from my mom and I, but look at the tiny one is about to grow. That, yep.
I hate doing the dishes. I hate doing dishes. But if I don't do them, who's gonna do them? Nobody. No one. So right now we're taking the kids to a place where they're going to play, you know, it's like a fun place for kids. So when we get there, they're going to have fun and all that. But you guys should come with us because, of course, it's Father's Day. Their father said, let's go out. Baby, dress up. And I said, me? Oh yeah, let's go there.
Lover with you, love with you. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Every day shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
To get behind the video.
They have this one, baby. Just put them on top toilet and go sit down on top am.
Our toilet.
Yes.
Yeah, that one. You get the one you put on top.
Nine be this.
Well, I don't know whether the size.
Nine be this.
Like this is the day.
Now like this they dey. We just put them on top
bring
the
am.
toilet. Eba, they go do type. This one too. They go relax for the toilet.
This one do okay.
Is it okay?
Don't put them on top.
Yes.
You could stop.
In the morning you sit there. That's how we start the potty training.
Give more for him.
Then you have this first,
Which one?
this one, and you can choose if you would like to have the baby seat, or if you only want it like this, and then you can also have like a
Belt.
about this.
No. I want to have something like this.
Love with you, love with you.